Hi guys, so this is the story of this bird that was walking on the road. So like I said, the bird was walking down the road. So my dad found it, and my dad took it home, and it was injured. So we tried to feed it, but I wouldn't eat, but I think it did because the food was soaked. But the next day my dad, so my dad put the bird in the backyard, and I have some picture and video. So that was the bird. It's not dead, it's sleeping. Bye guys, and just to let you know, it's a true story. My dad found it walking yesterday on Father's Day.